So I finally had enough of the power issues that that 60 port charging station was giving me. Phones were either constantly dying or they would trickle down to about 9 to 10%, which would put them into low power mode, which would lower the mega hash on the phones. And I just had enough. So I pulled the trigger and I bought four of these 60-watt SABRENT chargers. They're 60 watts, so they're 6 watts per port. And I have used it before, and if I was going to review them, I'd give it a 10 out of 10. They ran my old farm uh, since December, all 10 phones uh, fully going at all times, never had a problem. So I'm going to start replacing the 60 ports with these right now because that's what we got going on today. And I've had enough. And yeah, it's just, I would just rather have my farm have no hassle and it just works. I hate waking up and being like, oh, cat 45 today is at 0 mega hash, and then you look and it's dead. So yeah, let's get that all built and set up, and we'll see how it looks and see if it works. And honestly, I know we don't even need to see if it's gonna work because I just know it's gonna work. So yeah, let's get that going. So there's everything set up with the new chargers. It's still, it looks like an absolute fucking disaster down here. And I still have to use the 60 port for now just because my 50 watt 10 port hub hasn't come in yet for the fans. But all of this is temporary because things are going to be moved around here. But I'm going to set all the phones up and I'm going to let them run for a little bit and we'll see if any problems are fixed. So yeah, let's get all the phones set up and the ones that have either died or crashed, and we'll see if they hold stable. Okay, so I got most of the phones running. Most of the phones are running 100%. I just had this racket 10 right here that the majority of them were dead, and the charging couldn't keep up to mining and charging all 10 at the same time. And I already knew this might be a problem because with these charging stations, they're only 60 watts. And when I first got them, I tried mining and the power supply would kick on and off. So I knew that might be a problem. So right now, these ones are just charging to full, but I'm almost positive that it'll be okay. But all these ones, perfect. All these ones, perfect. All these ones, perfect. So I am very pleased and I am very excited to not have to monitor as close. And yeah, it's pretty sick, bud. If you know what I mean, bud. All right, bud. Nice, 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 nice. So I think 99% sure we're going to be okay. Just let those ones charge up. I guarantee when they charge up, we'll be fine. If a problem does happen with them, or if there is any issues with those SABRENT ones, I will let you guys know for sure. Uh, the main reason I make these videos is because there really isn't much information on cell phone mining or even mining Verus in general. And I just wanted to get that get this information out there so you guys don't have to make the mistakes that I made. And I wanted to just say thank you to everyone who tunes in and gives a shit. I have noticed that there have been a few people that comment regularly, and it's just nice. It's nice knowing people give a shit about what you are saying, and it's cool. And also, it's also been nice. I have been more comfortable talking in front of a microphone. That was the biggest hurdle for me to get over. You seriously, you do not know how long it would take me just to press record and just to how many takes it would, you know, how many takes it would for me to get through one 30-second scene. And it's been nice that that transition's going smoother. Now for updates of videos that are coming up. I have the possible new king of budget mining phones being sent to me, and I'm going to be doing a review on that phone, and we'll see how that goes. And I also have another video coming out that I'm super excited about. I don't know when it's happening, but it's gonna happen. Let's just say I bought 3 new cat phones and they're not being used for myself. So, we'll when that video gets in the works, I'll let you know, and I'll give you a little bit more insight on what's happening. But I'm super excited about that one. And another video that that will be coming out soon is I'm gonna be taking everything that's mining. It's all in my living room right now, and I'm gonna be transferring it into my bedroom. I live alone. I don't have a girlfriend, so I do not give a fuck that my bed is in my dining room. It I spend the majority of my time in my living room, and my Xeon rig makes it unbearably fucking hot in here, and to put the heat into another room and just let it exhaust out would just be so nice. And it would be nice just to have everything in one area, and it would be the mining area. So yeah. Um hey, and if you want to see more updates, or just come by and say hi and chill. um if you leave a comment, that really fucking helps, and if you like, that really helps. And yeah, thanks. I just want to say thank you, and have a good one there, bud.